Hi, this is Dario Marjali, and continuing with my reviews of the LinkedIn course Project Management Foundations. Today I'm going to summarize all the things that a project manager has to do. The first thing is that the project manager must define the project. It's not enough with the customer, the client coming and saying, I want a new feature. The project manager must ask questions. Why do you want what you want? Why do you want this feature? What is it supposed to solve? What problem is it supposed to solve? Number two, the project manager must set up brainstorming sessions. These are there so that different people can assess the project and also come up with strategies and decide which strategy is the best. Three, the project manager must gather requirements for the project. What are the requirements? Four, the project manager must define the deliverables of the project, what is going to be delivered, and their acceptance criteria. What is acceptable as a deliverable? Five, the goal must be defined. With these deliverables, what is the goal to be achieved with these deliverables? Then we move on to the project plan. And here is the sixth item that the project manager must work on. Define the work that needs to be done. 7, do the work breakdown structure. That means get the work that needs to be done and break it down into small work packages. 8, you have to find out who are the resources that are going to be doing the work and also who else is involved in the project. Once you have that, you're going to have to write down how these resources and stakeholders are organized, who reports to whom, the reporting structure, and also make it clear in this Excel sheet that you're creating who is responsible for what. So who needs to be notified and who is accountable for what. Number 9, assign work to resources. Then number 10, once you've assigned work to resources, you can schedule and consider the time that it takes this resource to do their work. Number 11 is the cost. Since now you know who's going to be working on the project, the resources, and you know the amount of time they're going to dedicate to it, you can calculate the cost. Once you have the cost, you can reconcile that with the budget that you have for the project and with the constraints that you have for the project, the time constraints, for example. So here, a lot of reconciling has to go on. 12, decide the flow of events. This means you have to figure out task dependencies. The most typical task dependency is that a task finishes before the next task can start. And finally, now that you have your project plan, you can set up a project kickoff meeting. And when you do that, you onboard the resources, and then this project starts formally and goes into execution.